Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 2 captive screws with the keyboard symbol next to them. Flip the device back over and open it up. Raise the palm rest partway up and use your thumbs to apply forward pressure to slide the keyboard underneath the palm rest. Once the tabs are free enough, you can use a spudger to gently pry the keyboard free. Lay it down. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the keyboard from the motherboard. Plug the new keyboard into the motherboard. And slide the top of the keyboard underneath the palm rest before replacing the bottom and sliding the tabs back into their slots. Tighten the 2 captive screws in the bottom cover.